guys, what Budgie Marx for today. This is going to be the last video I'm going to make in 2021. It's 2020, so we're joining this strange corner. You're happy for New Year's? Me too. What are you gonna do this 2022? You don't know? I don't know what Budgie Marx has planned, but he surely has something big. It's something about a movie and then something else. I don't know what it was. Official Budgie Marx movie. I'm really excited for that to come out, by the way. So, yeah, do you want to say anything to the fans before we, leave off for now? Because this is the last time you're gonna see me for this year. Next time you're gonna see me is next year. Probably tomorrow, by the way. So, do you want to say anything before before the year ends? First of all, your thingy is coming loose, and secondly, he wants you to subscribe. Yeah, he really wants you to do that for us. So yes, please do that. And that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share, as he already said. Well, he only said subscribe. Like and share. Ring the bell for notification numbers for the content. And I'll be seeing you guys next year, 2022, like we did this last year, 2020. Very nostalgic, by the way. So good to spy us.